students, today's session based on the rational numbers, problems, addition, subtraction or finding the sum more than two rational numbers. So let's start. So first question says find the sum. Now here the numbers not in the form of a rational number, so we have to convert these numbers into the rational numbers. So how? 4 into 4, that is 4 4 the 16 plus 3 is 19, so 19 upon 4 minus 19 upon 4. 12 into 2, that is 24 plus 7 is 31, so next number is 31 upon 12. Now both the numbers we have converted as the rational number minus 19 upon 4 and 31 upon 12. Now observe the denominators 4 and 12, both are different, so we have to make the denominators same for finding the sum. So we have the LCM of these numbers 4 and 12 is 12, so we have to make the denominator 4 as 12 by multiplying it 3. So 19 multiply 3 upon 4 into 3, it will become minus 57 upon 12 plus 31 upon 12. Now both the denominators are same, so we can follow the addition or subtraction only in the numerator. Now here minus 57 plus 31, subtraction is there and 57 is greater number, so 57 minus 31, the answer is 26. Then 57 has the minus sign, so answer also has minus sign as 57 subtracts 31. So answer is 26 upon 12. Both the denominator and numerator having the common factor 2. So divide both the numbers by 2. So we get minus 13 by 6. So here the answer of minus 4 3 by 4 plus 2 7 upon 12 is minus 13 upon 6. Now let's do one more problem of same variety. 2 1 by 5 plus minus 3 1 by 6. So for doing this also we have to convert the given number into the rational number as 5 into 2 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. 6 into 3 18 plus 1 minus 19 upon 6. Now both the denominators are again not same, so make the denominator same as finding their LCM. So LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. So 11 upon 5, this denominator 5 as written as 30, so multiplied by 6. Similarly this denominator, second denominator 6 multiplied by 5 to become 30. So numerator is also multiplied by 6 and 5 respectively. Then we get 11 into 6 upon 5 into 6 is 66 upon 30 minus 95 upon 30. Now both the denominators are same, so we have to perform the addition or subtraction in the numerator only. So it will become 66 minus 95 upon 30. Now 95 is greater number than 66. So we have to subtract 66 from 95. So we get 29. As the 95 is the greater number having the minus sign, so answer will be contain minus sign. So answer is minus 29 upon 30. As we observe here, both the numerator and denominator having no common factor. So answer for this problem 2 1 by 5 plus minus 3 1 by 6 is minus 29 upon 30. Now let's take more. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. Now remember one thing, whenever we have to compare the rational numbers, always we have to make the denominators equal for comparing the two rational numbers or arranging them in ascending order. So for all we have to make the denominators equal. Now the denominators are 3 5 7 and 6 having different numbers. So we have to make all the numbers same by finding their LCM. 3 5 7 6 as 210. So all the numbers, the denominators of all the rational numbers we have to convert as 210. So by multiplying 70 by 70 in the first, 42 upon 40 in the second rational number 30 upon 30 multiply with the third rational number 6 by 7, and 35 upon 35 multiply by the last rational number minus 1 by 6. So all these rational numbers having the same denominators, we have minus 140 upon 210, 168 upon 210, 180 upon 210, minus 35 upon 210. Now we can compare the numerators only as the denominators are same. Now as we know that negative sign is there, so the number is less than the positive number. Now compare. Minus 140 is less than minus 35, which is less than 168, and again which is less than 180. So we can write it as minus 140 is upon 210 less than minus 35 upon 210. It is less than 168 upon 210. It is less than 180 upon 210. Now all these rational numbers with the same denominators we are getting from these original rational numbers. So minus 140 upon 210 we are getting from minus 2 by 3, minus 35 upon 210 it is minus 1 by 6, 168 upon 210 it is 4 by 5, and 180 upon 210 is 6 by 7. So we can write the rational numbers as minus 2 by 3 is less than minus 1 by 6, it is less than 4 by 5, and it is less than 6 by 7. So ascending order of the given rational numbers are minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 6, 4 by 5, and 6 by 7. As we are writing the ascending order, that means from lowest to greatest, so we have to place the less than sign between the rational numbers. Now let's take one more problem. Evaluate the following. Evaluate meaning is we have to simplify the given rational numbers as minus 12 by 5, 7 upon 3, minus 5 upon 14, and 22 upon 7. Here the first rational number having both the numerator and denominator as minus sign. So both the minus sign will be cancelled out and the given number becomes positive 12 upon 5, and the denominator second rational number is minus 3. As the standard form says, if the rational number is given p by q, so q is, we can write q as the positive number, so this minus sign goes to the numerator place, so it will become minus 7 upon 3. So all the denominators of these rational numbers are different, so we have to make first all the denominators same by finding their LCM, and LCM is 210. Now all the rational numbers given minus 12 by 5, that is 12 by 5, this multiplied by 42, 7 minus 7 upon 3, this multiplied by 70, minus 5 upon 14 multiplied by 15, and 22 by 7, this should be multiplied by 30 to get the denominators same. Then afterwards we get the rational numbers with the same denominators as 504 upon 210 plus minus 490 upon 210 plus minus 75 upon 210 plus 660 upon 210. As the denominators are same, so we have to perform the operation only in the numerators. So let it can be written as 504 minus 490 minus 75 plus 660 upon 210. Now we have to write the like terms as the positive numbers and in the negative numbers. So positive numbers are 504 plus 660, negative numbers are minus 490 minus 75. So add the positive numbers and add the negative numbers, then we get 504 plus 660 is 1164, and minus 490 minus 75 becomes minus 565. Now one is positive, one is negative, so subtraction gives 599 upon 210. This 599 upon 210 we can express as mixed rational number as 179 upon 210. So the answer of the given problem is 2179 upon 210 also we can write, or 599 upon 210 also we can write. So I hope in this way you will perform addition, subtraction on the rational numbers and comparison between the rational numbers also.